Hi there, I'm Dr. Lydia Sosenko, provider of oral appliance therapy for the treatment of snoring and apnea. Today I am going to be answering the question, can I use an ultrasonic cleaner for my oral sleep device? So when we are talking about oral sleep devices, I am talking about professional oral appliances that are made with the help of a trained dentist in sleep, airway, breathing disorders. And there's over 100 different devices on the market, so that question varies dramatically from device to device. I will tell you that in researching this and the associated cleaning resource guide that is in the link of this description, I have found that some are definitely okay with it and some definitely prefer you not to use it, or it might not be needed because it won't help anymore because they're very dense material. So it definitely does depend on your device. The other factor I did find is that the ones who are okay with using an ultrasonic home personal unit, most of them recommend just once a week, not the daily type of cleaning. And these are, I'm going to show you one that I have tried myself. There's probably a lot more in the market. I do like this one just because some of the features it has, and has a removable case. Some of them might not be like that. But this is made by Dr. Berlin. So it's the Dr. Berlin's ultrasonic cleaner. Basically, this is what the box it comes in. And this is the device. And couple things that I like about it, it has 3 suction tips on the bottom to help prevent it from moving off your counter basically when it's on. It does have a battery compartment right here in the bottom, so it does take batteries. Over here there's an on-off switch. You see it does vibrate and you can feel a little bit cleaning. Okay, and when you do use it, that top part opens up. You would take out this part and then you can put it in water. You can fill in your device very nicely. And I'll show you kind of a quick look of what that looks like here in a minute. And then after you're done with it, you can rinse it out, put it back in this, and either air dry it. You can either store your device in there or only use it weekly if you want to. So that is the Dr. Berlin's ultrasonic cleaner. It's fairly inexpensive. I have the link on that on the cleaning resource guide if that helps. But again, please ask your dentist for the type of device you have, and then they can look into it if they don't know if this is okay to use once a week. Typically, when you do use it, you would use it with either a cleaning tablet, or Dr. Berlin has the Clean-A-Dent products. That's a great kind of a pump liquid that you can put in there as well.
To learn more about which cleaning products to use with ultrasonic, you might want to check out our video, How to Clean Your Sleep Apnea Mouthguard on the Weekly Cleaning Cycle. There's a lot more details covered in that video. So the first thing, just open up the ultrasonic. You can submerge your device inside there, and you're going to add basically either cool water or warm water. You can put it back into the unit, and then you can either put 4 squirts of Dr. Berlin's Clean-A-Dent, or alternately you can use one of the tablets that were listed in one of our Part 2 cleaning videos.
And then you're going to close that lid, put the timer on for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, going to go by, you're going to turn off that timer, take out that device out of the solution, okay, and rinse it out really well. Now for my patients, I like them to take a toothbrush to it and just any excess, if they see any debris, just to brush it really well. All different areas, all crevices, including any kind of mechanism that your device has. So once it's all rinsed out with lukewarm water, you're going to shake off that excess and either store it back in, you can store it back in that one if you have it with the lid open, or in a container, in a regular retainer cleaner. Also, some people use small Tupperware containers. They even poke some holes on it for it to kind of air circulate. So I hope you found today's video helpful. I urge you to look in the description for the link associated to this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to put them in the comments and I will try to answer them in a future video or directly through the question and answer. And if you found any value to this video, please like it. And until next time.
Be sure to visit mysleepdevice.com for a ton of patient resources to help your oral appliance therapy be more successful.